This weekend, we went to DadaBoudi restaurant. On our way, we find a tiger, a tank, and flood to stop us. But we made to our destination. Look at the crowd, guys. After waiting for around 30 minutes, we got our seat on first floor. They have renovated the place and sitting capacity has been increased. I think they are currently operating on 3 floors. But mind you, the upper floors are little costly than the ground floor. So if ground floor is empty, prefer that. So we ordered our dishes. And here our wait is over. So chicken biryani here is rupees 270 and mutton is 360. It is a must try. Jai Hind, guys.